Hello, in this video I want to show you how to place roads in Tiny Glade. To do this, first we'll need to hover our mouse over the road icon right here, then you'll be able to see the slider. You can make this slider smaller or bigger, and here you will see the difference. As you can see there's a circle where my mouse is, and it's small. Now when we make it bigger, it will become bigger. And now when we have the size of the drawing that we want, we can left click our mouse and hold it to start placing that road. And at some point when you reach, for example, hill, it will sometimes place the staircase, and I think it should do the same when you do this on that tower. As you can see, it created the door. And now to remove that road, you can click on the eraser, select the road from the option, and then you can remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.